products caused overwhelming toxic fumes that killed the manager of a Buffalo Wild Wings and sent 13 others to the hospital. According to a report from the Burlington Fire Department in Massachusetts, an employee poured the cleaner Super 8 on the kitchen floor of the town's Buffalo Wild Wings. However, an acid-based cleaning agent that had previously spilled in that area began reacting to the sodium hypochlorite in the other cleaner. Shortly after the employee started to scrub the floor, the chemical reaction occurred, sending him out of the kitchen with his eyes burning. The fire department reports that the manager stepped in and tried to squeegee away the cleaner. Overcome by fumes, the manager went outside, where he was later found by emergency crews who transported him to the hospital, but he later died. In a statement, Buffalo Wild Wings said it was, quote, shocked and saddened to learn of this tragic accident, and said it would be cooperating in the investigation. 13 others, including 2 customers, were also affected by the chemicals and were hospitalized, with at least 4 people kept overnight for observations. The Burlington Fire Department said a hazardous materials team later neutralized the area in the restaurant before turning it over to management, who will be in charge of any further cleanup.